Feeling lost in the dropshipping jungle? Unsure whether Zik Analytics or AutoDS is your ticket to success? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison of these two titans, Zik Analytics and AutoDS, to help you choose the perfect weapon for your dropshipping arsenal. First up, product research. Zik Analytics shines with its in-depth eBay market analysis, offering valuable insights into trending products, competitor sales, and profitable niches. It's all about finding those hidden gems. AutoDS counters with a broader approach, supporting multiple platforms, like AliExpress and Amazon. Its strength lies in its one-click product importing and advanced filtering options, allowing you to quickly populate your store. Now, let's talk automation. Zik Analytics focuses primarily on data analysis, offering less in terms of fully automated order fulfillment. It's more about identifying opportunities and then manually executing. AutoDS, on the other hand, is a powerhouse of automation. It streamlines your entire process, from automatic order fulfillment and price monitoring to inventory management and tracking updates. Think hands-off dropshipping. Regarding pricing, Zik Analytics offers tiered plans, each granting access to different levels of data and features. Consider your data needs to determine the most cost-effective option. AutoDS also utilizes a tiered structure, but its pricing is tied to the number of products you sell and the features you require. Evaluate your sales volume and desired automation level before making a decision. Integration is key. Both platforms integrate with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and eBay, but AutoDS boasts a wider range of integrations, especially for suppliers. Ensure your chosen platform plays nicely with your existing setup. Finally, the user interface. Zik Analytics can feel a bit overwhelming at first, due to the sheer volume of data it presents. AutoDS generally offers a more streamlined and user-friendly experience, especially for beginners. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your specific needs and experience. If data-driven product research is your priority, Zik Analytics is a strong contender. If you crave comprehensive automation and ease of use, AutoDS might be your best bet.